My name is Christy Mattoon. I live in the United States in Utah. I'm 52 years old, I think. I try not to think on that one too much. But here's my story. I had a little brother. My little brother died last year of suicide. He was quite a bit, he's 5 years younger than I am. And when he died, I just remember sobbing. The tears just flew. Oh, it was just like a rainstorm. But I wasn't sad. And I had done so much work on myself up to that point of trying to stay in a heart coherent place. I think that's why when he passed, I wasn't upset, I wasn't mad, I wasn't hurt, I wasn't sad. The grieving process was totally different for me than what I would have expected or thought otherwise. And what happened the day after he died, I was standing up in his bedroom. Everything had changed. Hazmat had come in, taken everything out. It's so strange how fast things happen when something like this goes on. But I was standing in his room, and across the room they had placed his salt rock lamp that had been on his nightstand. And as I was standing there, I remember just being like, Kirk, why? What the excuse my language. And then it was just like this peace, and then and there he was in front of me. And I was like, oh, he's still here. It was quite shocking. And what he showed me, what he told me was, forget everything you know. None of this is what you think. Forget everything you know. He goes, feel this. There's no pain. No pain. He had been in so much pain. He goes, no pain. Almost like he was shocked because of the things that we had been taught and had learned. He goes, I'm not in hell. Not in hell. I was like, what? What? He said, just forget everything you think you know. And then he showed me 5 seconds of peace, the greatest peace I've ever known.